Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Dr. Ruchika Asija with us from End Possibilities. A very warm welcome to EQ, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, can you just let us know about End Possibilities? Like what does it mean and how it came into the solar industry?
See, End Possibilities, first of all, I'm Dr. Ruchika Asija, the director of End Possibilities. And End Possibilities Private Limited is the authorized distributors of the solar products like solar inverters and the world-class panels, Swelect HHV panels, Satvik solar panels, Satvik Green, and the imported modules JA Solar and Jinko Solar. And End Possibilities is into the solar sector since 2017, and initially we have started with the inverters, and then we have started into the distribution of other products like the various brands of solar modules. And we have our corporate office in Gurgaon and regional office in Bangalore, and we have our 9 warehouses pan India, including South India. We have 5 and 4 in the North region, and we are going to have 3 more warehouses in this financial year itself.
That's great, sir. And like, if you can just let us know, ma'am, about particularly if I talk about the solar market itself. So, how it seems like to you for 2024 and 2025?
Well, I think it is a growing industry, and you must be knowing about the PM Surya Graha Yojana. Our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, is personally involved in getting the solar so popularized among all the people throughout the country. So I think we have a great future ahead.
Yes, this is the reason, like, the awareness has been like the more of awareness is there now. So, and if you talk about this REI, like REI 2024, so anything new, any project or anything in pipeline that you would like to share with us, with our viewers?
Yes, definitely. I would like to say that in my last 7 to 8 years of experience in solar industry, this is the first time I'm seeing such a huge footfall in REI, and it is a wonderful response from all the customers, and the kind of awareness what all people are having as of now throughout the country. We are getting the inquiries from Kerala to Jammu and Kashmir. So I think I must not have met those many people in 2 months whom I have met in these last 2 days, and today is again one more day is left. We are still having the some time to end it up, so I am hoping for the best.
That's great, sir. So, ma'am, if you can just let us know, like, there are a lot of opportunities as well as challenges that we can see in the Indian solar market. So how it seems like to you as well?
Definitely, there are various challenges that are there in this industry. Like you must be aware of, from past 2 years, we are struggling with the BCDs and all, and due to that, the business has actually gone into it has been very struggling. But I think now with such an awareness now, and due to since it has been so government driven, now our government has brought this ALMM, and so many module manufacturers have come into picture, so many solar inverters. So I think there is a huge potential still lying. Whatever challenges have been coming, that will be mitigated in the time to come. So whatever our PM Modi has thought of the manufacturing in India, that is Make in India, I think that Atmanirbhar Bharat is going to happen, and by 2030 whatever targets India is considering, so we are on the right track. That is what I feel.
That's good. And like, what's your view, like, if I would like to ask, what's your view on green hydrogen sector?
See, green hydrogen sector, I feel it is still in the nascent stage. But yes, definitely it is there in the checklist of the Indian government. So it is going to bound to grow in the coming years. Maybe in next 3 to 4 years, it will take on to that kind of level at which this solar industry is already there. So this is what is the track. This is what I feel.
We wish all the luck to you for your coming year, ma'am, and for 2024 as well as the day goes well for you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot for being with us.
Thank you so much, EQ.